What's up, guys? Hey, Paul Kolaski, Vallejo Physical Therapy, Vallejo PT Online, and today we're going to talk about an acute knee strain slash calf strain. So let's jump into the home exercise program. So we're going to work on the outside of the calf. All right, and so got a little bit of tightness going on, a little bit of strain going on there. Foam roller, nice and easy, nothing crazy technique here. All right, so basically what we do is we cut the leg in half. All right, as we're going to work on it, so we're going to work on it in two pieces. All right, a lower half and an upper half. We'll start with the lower half. Okay, so easy stuff. Right, we're doing self-massage, self-release techniques. Got to keep this easy. All right, nice and light, just easy motion. All right, we also got to remember that we're round, not square. So we'll turn the leg out a little bit, just rocking around. Roll it to the inside a little bit. And again, this is for an injury that's acute, right? This just happened, right? So we're not trying to be crazy, all right? Just about 30 to 60 seconds. Then we'll come up to that upper half and repeat. Working that upper half. Straight up and down, just straight up and down, working to the inside. Again, intensity level here should be light. This should not be causing any additional discomfort. All right. We're going to say that we know the issues. We're saying the issues a little bit more toward the top up by the knee. All right. So we're going to get a little bit higher. All right, and then we're just going to rock it side to side. All right. Again, this should not cause any issues. If you find that this causes issues with the knee, with the calf, any spiking in intensity, you need to reach out. Let us know about it. All right, so whole area should take us about 3 minutes, 4 minutes. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and move up into the hamstring. All right. Hamstring. Again, like to do one at a time. You will see some videos out there where you got people doing two at a time. Focus on one part of the body at one time. All right, so working that hammy. Again, we're not square, so we got to work the inside a little bit, straight up, a little bit to the outside. As we're working down closer to the knee, all right, we're going to kind of get into a spot here, kind of rest it for a second as we get a little bit closer to that area. And again, we're just going to rock it. So about 30 to 60 seconds in each way. So again, approximately 3 minutes up here on the hamstring. All right, we'll say we got all that done. We're going to get back down to the calf. Right there in that position, we're going to work on active movement. Okay, so make sure that the knee is in a position that it likes. All right, so active movement. So that could be pumping back and forth, side to side, circles in both directions. All right, and again, 30 to 60 seconds each way. Last one we're going to do here, we're going to lose the foam roller. Leg's going to be out straight as long as this is comfortable. If this is not comfortable, we might need to put a towel roll or a small pillow under the knee. In the short term, we want to work to getting it straight. Right there in that position, you're not going to see this in the video very well, but right there in that position, we're just going to tighten that muscle. Nice, slow and controlled tightening, right? So we're going to go slow, hold, get to that in-range contraction, hold it for about 5 seconds and relax. Again, should not be painful, all right? When I say painful, we're okay at about that 0 to 2, 0 to 3 range. You start getting up above 3, or if it starts making you jump, make a fist, hold your breath, that's going to be too intense. All right, so nice, easy contraction. If you have to have a little small roll under the knee, I'm okay with that. In the short term, we need to work our way out of that. All right, we'll contract, hold for 3 to 5 seconds, and relax. Contract, 3 to 5 seconds, and relax. Make sure that the foot stays relaxed during that entire time. An error that's common is that when people contract the quad, they pull the toes. All right, I don't want you to pull the toes. All right, foot should be relaxed, calf should be relaxed. We're just tightening that quad muscle. So tighten and relax. Tighten and relax. After that activity, we can do what's called a little bit of a heel slide. All right, so I'm just going to slip my shoe off for that since I've got carpet in here today. Don't have my mats down. So right there in that position, we're just going to easily slide that knee up, that foot up, as far as you want to go. All right, no goal here except for pain-free. All right, keep this 0 to 3, 0 to 2, over 10, nice and easy. About every third one, so this is my third one. When I come back down, I'm going to throw a quad set in. So boom, my foot's relaxed, quad set, relax, back to my heel slides until I've completed about somewhere between 10 and 30. Alrighty, so again, this is baseline acute injury of the knee, acute injury of the calf, rehab, nothing crazy. Keep it simple. Anything goes sideways, make sure you reach out. Otherwise, it's Paul Koloski, Phil PT. I'll see you next time.